Today with 2016 RDX. Viewed as Acura's answer to BMW's sporty X3, the RDX offers stylish interior, plenty of sport, and a nice amount of utility, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, power passenger seat, traction control, remote engine start, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
When purchasing an Acura certified pre-owned vehicle, you can expect the same uncompromising standards of a brand new Acura. The Acura dealership technicians ensure that every vehicle upholds the luxury and sophistication of the Acura name. Acura certified pre-owned. Once an Acura, always an Acura.